going to explain how to change a binary number to a regular decimal number. So let's pick the number 0011. So we have 0011 binary, and we want to change it to a decimal number. So the first thing that we need to do is write down our binary table. So the table starts at 0 with the exponent 0, and then it starts to go up, the exponent starts to go up by 1. So you have your base 2 with exponents incrementing by 1. So this is your binary table. And the way it works is just regular base number with an exponent. And so 2 to the 0, so we solve for that just like we would with anything else. So 2 to the 0, any number to the 0 is 1. So this starts at 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So that's 8. 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16, etc. And in binary, it just keeps on doubling every time. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Every time you go up by one exponent number, the product of this operation increases. In other words, doubles. So here's going to be 64. That's going to be 128. 2 to the 8 is going to be 256. And 2 to the 9 is going to be 512. Yeah. So now what we do is we have this binary number. And the reason in binary numbers we have a 2 on the bottom, when you see that, it just means it's binary instead of, for example, let's say you have this binary number, has 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. That's 2 binary. So with binary, you start reading from this side and you go towards this side. So right to left. So you start at 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. That's how you read a binary number. This one will be 1, 1, 0, 0. If this was decimal, then the decimal places have basically, as I think you may remember, but this one will be the 1 place. This is the 10 place. That's the 100 place. That's the 1,000 place. That's the 10,000 place. That's the 100,000 place. So the way you will read this will be that you'll start from here on, and if that was a decimal number, basically you will start here. That would be a 100 place right there. So you'll put a comma, and the way you would read this is 100, 100, 1,000, 110, let's say dollars, or yens or bolivars or whatever it is. So that's how you would read it if it was base 10. So these little numbers here, they tell you how to read the number. So base 10 will be this amount. Base 2 is just this. It's a 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now let's convert this binary number into a decimal number. So the way we do this is very simple. We have our binary table, and now we're going to basically place this number here, starting from the right, from your far right or this left. So we have 0011. So what we do is we're going to place it here. So 1, 1, 0, 0. So the way this works is wherever there's a 1, you're going to count the value for that particular position. And whenever there's a 0, you're not going to count anything. So here we have a 1, so we're going to take down the value 1. We have 1 here, so we're gonna take down the value there. Here we have 0, so nothing, that's 0. And we have 0, that's nothing, 0. Now we're gonna add up these numbers. So that is the decimal conversion of this number, 0011, into a decimal, into a value. It's the value 3. So this number in decimal equals 3 decimal. Let's take this number for example. So for that number, we have a 011, so we're gonna start differently. Here we have 0. Let me start a little bit more from the beginning. So that number starts here at 0, then you have 3 ones, then you have a 0 right here, and you have a 1 right there. So same thing, here has a 0, so nothing is gonna go there. Here there's a 1, so we're gonna take down the value. 1, we take down the value. 1, we take down the value. 0, that's gonna be nothing. And there's a 1 here, so we take down the value. And now what we do is we add up all of these values. So it's gonna be 32, it's gonna be 40, 44, 46. So this number in decimal is 46 in base 10. And that's how you convert a binary number to a decimal number. Next, we're going to explain how to do the opposite. How do you convert a decimal number into a binary number?